boy. What's going on, everyone? Chuck here, and I hope that you are having a fantastic day today. In this video, I'm going to be picking the winner of the Name My YouTube Channel X-Start Fertilizer Giveaway Challenge Contest Competition. I didn't actually name it before the giveaway, so I named it now, and that's a darn good name. So, I'm going to be picking that winner here in just a moment. I know most of the time a lot of people will hold that till the end of the video to keep you involved with the video and whatever, but I know a lot of you are just here to see if you're the winner, so I will not hold you much longer, but I do encourage you to please stay to the end of the video because I am going to be doing an update on not just my lawn, but the Project Father-in-Law, where both 16 days post-seeding. So there's a lot of stuff to talk about with both lawns and what's upcoming for both lawns and like next steps and all that kind of good stuff. So please stay to the end of the video or throughout the video to just see those updates and a lot of footage before and afters and all that kind of good stuff. So please just stay to that if you want to. If you don't, that's okay. So the rules for the contest were quite simple, and I had a lot of people comment other stuff, really nice comments and advice and all this kind of thing, and I'm really grateful for all those comments. I'm grateful for all comments. But the challenge, the rules were you had to pick between dadding all day or dadding all day lawn as the name of the YouTube channel. If that comment, if those words are not in your comment, unfortunately, you can't win. Just saying. So, now that that's out of the way, let's go ahead and pick a winner, shall we? I have the comment picker up and running, and I have the link in there already. So I'm gonna go ahead and start. Obsessed with Lawns and Odds with GR, you are the winner. Your comment said, dadding all day lawn. Both sound good, man. Well, thanks, man. So Obsessed with Lawns and Odds with GR, please send me a message on Instagram. You can just go to my About section and find it, or it's actually linked below, and just send me a message with an address that I can mail that to you, and I'll get that out to you this week. If you do not message me here in a couple days, I will just go ahead and pick a new winner. So please get on the ball with that, Obsessed with Lawns and Odds with GR, and we will get that out to you. So congratulations. Like I said, thank you to everybody that submitted a comment and their opinion on the name. The winner is actually of the whole thing. Which of the names won? It's actually, I mean, it's not even close in all honesty, but the exact numbers are, and in a landslide, dadding all day lawn won handily, 29-12. I didn't think it would be that big of a runaway for dadding all day lawn, but that's what you all chose. But that doesn't mean that's what I'm going to choose. I'm still on the fence about it, mainly for this reason. If I stick to just doing lawn care videos and dadding all day lawn, makes sense, right? Like, look at anybody else that has lawn in their name. Their focus is lawn care videos. But if, like during the winter months, we're here in Tennessee, we do have, not hard winters, but we do have hard freezes, and the lawn will go dormant. Our soil temps get to below 50, so there's gonna be times where I'm not doing any lawn care stuff. So if I'm still gonna post videos, I'm not posting lawn stuff, and people are looking for dadding all day lawn, and it's not a lawn care video, then they're gonna be like, oh, what a rip off or something like that. So maybe keeping it dadding all day is the right option, especially if I post videos of me and my family, which was kind of the original idea behind the name, is I will do other stuff. But I don't know, I'm gonna give it a couple days, think about it, and I mean, you guys will find out soon enough which one I chose, so stay tuned. But anyway, thank you again for Obsessed with, I forgot the name already. Obsessed with Lawns and Odds with GR, congratulations again. But now, let's go ahead and get on to the 16 days post-seeding updates. So here's what the lawn looks like as of the 21st of October, 16 days, and this is obviously right before we started aerating and overseeding. Overall, I am really loving the progress. It was a little bit touch and go at the beginning because he wasn't getting enough water on it,
just whether it's forgetfulness or whatever, but I've since put him on an Orbit 2 outlet timer, which has really helped out with the watering issues. And you will see there are still some bare areas, and so what we're going to do to fix these bare areas is we're going to take a garden weasel and break up this ground just a little bit. We will sacrifice some baby grass there and throw some grass seed on top of it. Here on the strip, which is what you're looking at, it is obviously struggling. The reason it's struggling is that Bermuda grass that is dead is so thick it has prevented some good seed to soil contact on top of watering issues. He also has this on a single outlet timer, so that has helped a little bit. That's where the germination has come from. But overall, there's just a struggle with seed to soil contact. I should have used the D.A.D attachment versus the Scarifier attachment on this side, or just in general where the Bermuda was, but I didn't, so lessons learned. We're working possible plans, maybe throwing down some topsoil or something like that and starting over, but who knows, we're just going to see where it goes from here. Now you're looking at my house. This is obviously the day that I aerated and overseeded, just to get a little bit of a before look. And now here's what it looked like as of the 21st of October. Really green, really awesome. It is coming in really good. There are areas where the tenacity is obviously really kicking in and doing its job, breaking up or killing some of the weeds that are in the lawn, preventing some weeds. There's a lot of wild onion or garlic in my lawn, so that's where those taller, wispy pieces of weeds are. And along the driveways are actually struggling. As you can see here, I'm about 3 inches, so I'll probably be mowing this weekend. And this is obviously the strip after I applied peat moss. It's a good before of what it looked like. And here in a moment, there is what it looks like now. I mean, it's coming in really good. Along the driveway, I had some coverage issues, so the seed didn't germinate very well and mixed in with some wash away. So here in a minute, you're going to see what I started to do. But this is the ditch where I had a bunch of dirt, and everything overall is coming in really good. On the strip, I'm only at about 2 inches, maybe 2.5 in most areas. But there are some bald not really bald patches, but here is where you see on the strip where maybe I should have broken up the soil before I put my seed down. Even though I had all that topsoil on there with the watering and stuff, it didn't make for a nice bed when you put water on it. It kind of made it a harder surface for the seed to germinate down in, so maybe I should have broken it up a little bit, but I didn't. Another lesson learned. So same thing on the father-in-law. You're seeing here what I'm doing. I'm taking a hand tool in some of the smaller areas and just breaking up the soil, and I'll be doing the same thing but with the garden weasel, breaking up some of those areas where it's not coming in very well, and applying just a little more seed, and we'll see where it goes. But overall, I am really pleased with how everything is turning out. It is looking phenomenal.
So that is it for this video. I hope you all liked it. Please like, subscribe, comment, do all that awesome YouTube stuff that you guys do. I really do appreciate all the subscribers and all the likes and all the comments that I've gotten, not just on the giveaway video, but all my videos. So thank you, thank you, thank you. As you see, a lot of good stuff coming out of both lawns. I'm actually really happy about how everything's turning out. You know, obviously, you'd love to see no gaps at all, and it's just perfect, and it's already 4 inches tall, and you're mowing it, and it's just gorgeous. But that's not the way lawn overseeding works, right? So you kind of just, you know, you gotta fix the areas that need fixing, and really enjoy the areas that are just coming in real nice. So overall, I'm really happy. So anyway, I will see you guys in the next one. You all have a great rest of your day, and God bless. I am going to enjoy this coffee.